Olori Naomi sister blasts popular actor stroke comedian when e be say e chook mouth for Olori Naomi and Oni divorce matter o. Una welcome to my channel. This is Maureen Gist TV. I greet una o. I throway salute my people. I greet una according to una time. How una dey o? In case you just dey waka dey pass for this white street and you come stumble to this my channel, you never subscribe, make you hit the subscribe button o. Make you click the bell notification for all my returning subscribers. Say God go bless you now. Here na place where be say I dey torchlight trending things wey be say dey happen. For this period now, we dey torchlight things wey be say dey happen for Oni of Ife Palace, because na im wife wey dem dey call Olori Naomi na im carry her matter come social media o, say im no do again o. Since that time, different people come dey chook mouth for the matter. My people, the matter wey be say carry me come this morning now. This Olori Naomi sister na im don come blast one popular comedian stroke actor wey dem dey call Ogbolo. When e blast am be say Ogbolo come out o, when e be say Olori Naomi come post that message when e say e no want to marry im husband again, say im husband na hypocrite, say im husband character no be the way everybody dey see am, na so e be, na two different human being na the king be. So come say he wan go focus on him ministry. Say he wan go focus on him ministry o. Say he no do again. Say wetin he see for pot of soup no be meat again o. He don pass him power. So she said a lot of things for that post when he post. Come finally come tell we the social media judge say make we no too take this thing so personal, make we no take this thing the way be say make we no take this thing very hard on her because of the pikin, that is the Tadenikawo, when he be say born for Oni of Ife. Say because pikin don already dey involved, so that make the whole thing just dey like that. So when this whole thing happen, hey, na so social media catch fire o. Everybody come dey chook mouth o, dey talk. The person when e be say, one of the persons when e be say chook mouth talk, na this popular comedian wey dey call Ogbolo, when he come say shey na Olori, shey na Queen Naomi na come out come talk say im be prophet, say na prophetess Naomi na come out come talk say say im hear from God o, say God na im be the ordained person when be say go stay for the throne, everything gbogbo tigbo. Say is it that God come dey lie? Say God no come, say make people know the way be say dem go take the God name take dey lie o. Wetin dey try to indirectly tell us be say Naomi don dey lie for God head, because that means e no hear from God before e jump go enter marriage with the king. So when he talk all this thing finish, my people, I go read this whole thing. I come make I read where Olori Naomi sister come begin blast am o. Una know say, my country people, una know say this Olori this prophetess Naomi, e get sisters dem. So and a lot of people dey complain of their arrogancy, mostly since wey be say their sister marry the Ooni of Ife. Some people now is of the opinion that they let us dey know say the kind pride when e dey worry these girls no be small. Say even the Ooni of Ife daughter Adeola, when I be the princess, when I be the man pikin, e no dey come for social media, they come show herself. But this Olori Naomi sisters and im brother say their own don too much. Other queens dem follow marry. Why be say their own? Why be say this family they no fit handle fame? They no fit handle fame. The fame dey overwhelm them. So Olori Naomi sister blast Ogbolo after actor purposely shade Queen over her marriage crisis. The sister to Queen Naomi, Simi Oluwaseyi, has blasted Nollywood actor Ogbolo for his post that she assumed make reference to her sister marriage crisis. So it can be recalled that Queen Naomi Shuleku Nola announced yesterday. Okay, man, let me just read that one at the story of how intake come announced. I don't talk those ones. Make I continue to the read. However, Simi Olori Naomi's okay. Now the marriage is over. Ogbolo appear to have attempted to mock the Olori in a message uploaded on the Instagram story, reminding the world that she declared years ago that God approved the marriage. He wrote, be careful. Now the thing wey be say Ogbolo right be this. So he say the actor wey dem dey call Ogbolo na him write this. Na him say be careful. Na Naomi na dey throw the word they give. He say be careful. These things you say when in high spirit, those words may come back to haunt you. Which one is my marriage was ordained by God? Then the next thing, your divorce later. Did God change his mind, or from the start you simply use God name to make it look good? However, Simi Olori Naomi, outspoken sister, stepped in to defend her sister, blasting the actor, though he didn't name his name. Make I read wetin he talk. She wrote, at Ogbolo, you are very daft. Why not focus on your redundant career? Now they say so. He can't call Ogbolo, say Ogbolo na daft guy. Say make he focus in career when he be say don dey gbeme. So the palace has, regardless of this Instagram post, continued to insist that Ooni of Ife marriage to Olori Naomi is not yet over, according to reports. That was when the Ooni come out come say so that is the Ooni spokesperson. I come and come talk say say they know that way of the divorce. So say Naomi Instagram account was hacked, many things. So but no be that one carry me come. The thing wey be say I want to talk for this whole thing be say they say silence is golden. Once you don't attain some level of royalty, and maybe you be princess, you be king, you be queen, or you be relative to somebody of that nature, there's a way you comport yourself on social media. Even all this celebrity, if you notice all this celebrity, people like Genevieve, don't be say Genevieve, they no get sisters. Genevieve get sisters. Rita Dominic, they get sisters. All these celebrity where be say they be big time celebrity, they get family, they get sisters. Even when people they blast in Edo, when of recent where be say he go do surrogate, una see any of Inedo's sister or relative when he come out to come blast the person. So to tell you how these people be, no be say after all, Naomi na come out come talk say God ordained a marriage. Even when he married when this marriage take place, there's a prophet, Tabitha Abia, they call that prophet. When he come talk say this their marriage don't go last. Say there's no way be say person when be say na where they represent the symbol of deity go come marry prophetess. Say the two marriage they contradict themselves. You understand? Say no way, say this marriage no go last. Everybody quiet, they look. Now at the end of the day, the thing wey be say they need the vex if people now be say now the way be say take come talk am for social media, come make they say it disrespect the king. So them ain't go need to apologize publicly. That is what they are saying. But now, you know say as the prophetess carry the matter come social media, as he don't put am for social media, he don't give everybody license to chook mouth put for the matter. Because if you no want make somebody talk about you, you no go bring your marital affair come social media. E be like the time we say Two-Face Dibia wife come social media come talk about her marriage, people call the chook mouth. Now so it be everybody know how social media be, how the game of social media be. So he come tell us say he no marry again. So everybody now don dey chook mouth, even including this actor stroke comedian they call Ogbolo. Na Michael be name. Him don come here im opinion say so prophetess come mean say he no hear from God. I mean he just use God name take talk am so that make the whole thing make the whole thing for look kajad. But my people, if una say look this whole thing, even though self God, even though if Naomi hear from God and he come marry the Ooni, true pikin come out. If una look the whole thing, there's a pikin to show for it. But along the line, he come dey find and see say some kind things 1 + 1 no come be 2 again. 1 plus 1 come dey be 3, come pass 3 come enter 4, come pass 4 don dey pass the be careful, and she is no longer happy in the marriage. Why? But if una look this whole thing, anybody when e be say e call himself, although a lot of people dey say this woman no be true child, that is no be true born again, e no dey practice real Christianity. Person when e be say dey practice real Christianity no go get anything to do with the king, being that African king dey sabi practice some of all this fetish thing. So but she don come and talk say that one no be the problem. I no know whether if dem tell her say make she do some kind ritual, whether im dey follow dey do, I no know. Abi im dey skip that one, we no know. So by my own, the cocoa of this matter now, the conclusion of this whole matter be say, all these Olori Naomi sisters and im brothers, they're not supposed to come out, because they know say the prophet no go fit open mouth talk to people. So they will come dey help her, the front for front, they attack other people. So e no good. Make dem shocking themselves, make dem no dey chook mouth for all this kind thing, make dem no dey chook their mouth. Even if somebody dey blast their sister, make dem quiet. Na so people wey be say dem get class dey do. All this our celebrity una dey see their sisters now, most of them, 90% of the celebrities, we no know their sisters, we no know their brothers, we don't even know their relative. Even if people dey blast them, they go just quiet. So na so e just be, my people. How una see this whole matter? What are your thoughts? Make you leave your comment for comment section. I will bring more gist for una as the thing don unfold. Una have a nice day. Bye.